Good morning, Stats. I thought I would shoot a quick video with some of the frequently asked questions over the weekend. So one of the main ones was, how do I hand in my practice sets? So I'll show you how. In course material, you've got your first module, and we'll scroll all the way down to the practice set. Now this, when you click on this, this will download your copy to work on, and to hand it back in, click on practice set module 1, and you can then browse your computer and upload your assignment back into Blackboard, and then you can click submit, and then it will come straight to me. If you're using a Mac, I would recommend emailing it as well. It seems like Blackboard isn't that compatible with Mac, and always use the Chrome browser. A couple other questions from the weekend that we had in regards to the benchmark assessment. The benchmark assessment located down here is not for marks. It's just to let us know, give us kind of an idea, gauge where you're at with stats, what your level of knowledge is with it. And then if you have certain things that you want to touch on, or certain things that, you know, everybody's like, well, we're pretty good with this and we don't really need to learn that, then we can adjust the course. So not for marks. I've had a lot of questions also about the readings, the chapter readings. You can do them, you cannot do them. It is your choice. If you are struggling, then I recommend doing them. I've had some questions regarding, doing practice in the back of the chapters, using the extra questions. It's up to you if you want the extra practice. The reason I did the practice sets was so that you hopefully wouldn't need the textbook as much, and that you wouldn't have to do those questions to get practice. But again, it's up to you where you want to go. So what I would say is that if you find that you're struggling, then certainly do more practice sets. I think that's it.